Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to draw a straight line graph using Plotly. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to this grid and we need to change the headers. Rename them. I only give them a sensible name like D for distance and M for meters for that one. And this one I'm going to rename F for force and N for newtons. Right, now I could then type in my numbers and so on and so on, and I could keep on doing that, but that might be quite boring, so instead they're going to, with the aid of magic, appear all at once. So there's my numbers typed into my grid. Now I would like to draw a graph of this, so I go to the big blue button which says trace. I click on that. On my x-axis I want to put distance, and on my y-axis I want to put force, and it's drawn the graph. Now I'm going to make this a bit bigger so we can see it easier. So I've got to label my axes as well. So on the x I'm going to write in my symbols, D for distance, M for meters, and on the vertical F for force and N for newtons, the units. I can put a title on it. There's my title. Now the one last thing to do is I would like to put a line on it. So I'm going to go to Analyze, click on that, click on Curve Fitting, because it could be a curve if I want it, but I'm going to press the Fit and then select that first option, and I press Run, and there's my straight line. What I would really like is to actually see the origin as well. You see, this doesn't start at 0, 0, but you can see when I move my cursor around it changes shape. I can actually click and drag along until I see my origin. And if I'm really flash, I could press Advanced, scroll down to where it says Fit Display Range. I want it to start at 0, and which will be down here, and I want it to go above 0.5, which is my maximum here. So I'm going to call that at 0.6. Oh, and for some reason the 0 disappeared. It's a bit strange. And if I scroll down a bit further, you'll see I've got the run, and now my line is extended. What a lovely graph.